Okay, they say get videos of the shop. So there's my desk area. My new employee is very happy to be here. One of my workbenches. That's some work in progress there. Lots of paint. Storage. More storage and stuff. There is more storage and you can see some of the stuff I've gotten done. My messy workbench with works in progress. Believe it or not, I cleaned this workbench off. No, it doesn't seem like it, but it's true. And that, my friends, is my little workshop. And I have a new rug, and I'll end with that.